Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today we're going to do a look. I'm going to recreate that from the Star Ranch palette. If you haven't seen it, it's really cute. And I'm going to have to say Jeffrey nailed it. I mean, I'm a country girl. This is a perfect palette to wear with a ball cap, which that's what I'm going to do. I just put my hair back for a minute to do my makeup. So I'm going to recreate this look. I started out with a brush that looks like this. There's no numbers on these. Little round brush. And I'm going to go into Yak Farm. And I'm going to do my upper lid and most of the lid. Let's see if I can turn around here. Hold on. My makeup room's a disaster right now. Me and my granddaughter were doing makeovers and goofing off. I have to say this performs really well. Look how pretty. And it blends out beautiful. So I'm just doing that all on the top. A little bit on the lid, but not too much. Alright, then I'm going to go in with Wyoming, which is right there in the corner. And I'm going to do like a third of my eye. This was the tricky part because Wyoming is very pigmented. I'm just tapping it on at first. So, see, I just tapped it onto a third of my eye. Then I'm going to take a different fluffy brush and blend that out. Blend that into the crease, like mash it together. See, it comes out really pretty. Now, at first I was going to do the two blues, but I ended up putting Casper Mountain down in the inner third of my lid. So I'm going to do it the same exact way. So Casper Mountain is that muted blue. It's a pretty color, and I don't know if it was just the way I was applying it, but it was too close to the other blue that we're going to use in the middle. So I'm going to put that in the middle, in the inner. It applies okay with the brush. But I'm thinking, see, I'm thinking like finger is better because it's like a glitter. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a blue jean color. That's what it reminds me of. And I have a blue jean cap that I was wearing today. So this is perfect. It's a perfect little palette for throwing. The colors are very muted, like different darker colors. Throwing a little look on. Sticking your blue jean cap on. Going quad riding. And whatever. So in the middle of my lid, I'm going to use Old Jeff. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to put it on with a brush first, and then I'll use my finger if it doesn't go on. See, so going in with Old Jeff in the middle. See, that works much better. But as you can see, it almost looks the same. So let me blend that a little bit. I'm just taking that fluffy brush that doesn't have anything on it. See? Now I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go over this light blue with this Star Creek. It's like a green. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty green. I love it. And I'm just going over that Casper Mountain Blue. See, it brightens it up a little bit. Alright, then I'm going to take a little pointy brush, and I'm going in with Owl Eyes. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And a little bit up here. Cute. Then I'm going to take my little, it's like a little tiny line brush. And I'm going in with Grand Prismatic. And I'm just going to do my lower lash line with that. I'm keeping it real tight. Since I'm older, I have a lot of texture here. I can't blow out bottom of the eyes. I have to keep it real close, or it just looks a hot mess. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with the liner. I think this is meant to be a lip liner. It's Breakfast with Tiffany's from Jeffree Star. And I'm going to do my waterline. Okay. And my foundation is the LYS foundation. And I use the LYS blush to give like a little sun-kissed, like you're out on the ranch. Alright, so I'm going to go in with some of the Fuck Proof mascara. And I love the way that Breakfast with Tiffany's looks. My eyelashes have been giving me a fit lately. They just want to bunch up, and I've been curling them. But they've just been doing some weird stuff. Okay, so there's that. See, that's a pretty look. That's a pretty go quad riding look. Go hang out on the ranch with the yak look. Alright, so speaking of yaks, if I can find it. Oh my gosh, I'm so unorganized. I just had it in my hand. I want to use the lippy that came in the box. There it is. As I opened the box earlier. That has the little yak on it. To finish this look up. I can't read on the bottom what it says. I'm so blind. I can't find my glasses. I lost them somewhere. So anyway, It's the lipstick that came in the mystery box. I'm not doing any liner because we're on the ranch. We don't care about liner on the ranch. We're doing a quick look. That's a really pretty color. Quick look. Let that dry down. Oh, a little shiny, aren't I? Oh, well, I'm on the ranch. It's really hot in this room. And I'm sweating. So, there's my look. And like I said, whip this off. Stick your ponytail through the hat. Cute hoop earrings. We're out of here. Alright, well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, that was using the Star Ranch palette. And we used Yak Farm, Wyoming, Casper Mountain, Star Creek, and Old Jeff and for the lid. And we used Grand Prismatic for under. And we used the Fuck Proof Mascara for the mascara. And we used the Jeffree Star Breakfast at Tiffany's lip liner. And the new Yak Lippy for the lips. And that's all I have for today. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. When I get to 500 subscribers, I have a big giveaway I'm going to be doing. I haven't decided what Jeffree Star palette I'm going to do. But it will be a Jeffree Star palette. These three. It's a lip liner Leo, Supreme Gloss, and Naked in the Dark, Heaven's Gate. I think that's what it's called. Heaven's Gate, the gloss, lip liner Leo, a lip scrub, and possibly an Extreme Frost. I don't usually wear the Extreme Frost. I have the one up there, the purple one. I really love that one. And I'm probably going to give away this Extreme Frost. So, that's all for today, because as you can see, I don't need any highlighter because I'm sweating to death. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.